Welcome to Super Simple Woodworking with Eugenie. I'm Eugenie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keychain holder. This is a simple project, makes a great gift to people. It's a fun thing to do, and it'll only take you about an hour in the shop. I'm starting off, I made a plan. You can buy these plans on Eugenie Wood Plans on my website if you care to. So I made myself a template. I'm going to place it on the wood. I want the grain to go this way. So even if it would fit, you never go like this. It's just gonna throws the eye off. It's not good. So you're gonna put this with the grain. I'm gonna avoid this knot because I don't like it. It's a little dark here and I don't think it looks good. So I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna carve around. And I'm gonna draw the bird. I made my plans I cut them out of cardboard because I use them a lot. You can just use the one, if you download the plan, you can just use the paper. Okay, I've done that. Now I'm going to cut it on the bandsaw. So I've shortened my board so that I can maneuver it on the bandsaw. And when you cut out the outline of something, you're going to cut right on the outside of the pencil line, as smoothly and as evenly as you can. Also, never ever push anything like this when you're cutting. Always keep your hands away from the blade. Made my outline. Next, I'm going to sand it, and I like to sand on a towel because if you have any bumps on your table when you're pushing, you could make little lines in the wood, and I like to avoid that. So I'm going to sand this on a towel, and then I'm going to carve it. Okay, now I'm going to sand it. I'm using my small hand sander. Okay, so the edges are nice and smooth. Now I'm going to carve it. I'm going to use a handheld rotary tool and a 5/16 carving bit. I have a blower installed in my table to take out the dust. If you're going to do this kind of carving, you should set up a shop vac near to where you carve because it makes a lot of dust. Also, you can wear a mask if the dust bothers you. I have this, so I don't really need it. Okay, so first I'm going to carve the outline of the bird, and I like to carve like the outside so that the design goes slowly in. I'll show you as I go. going to sand it. There we go. I didn't do the outside thing to save time, but this is what it looks like when it's finished. On the back, I installed these. I make a little hole with the Dremel. Place them, and then before you put these on, make a little hole with the Dremel for the top of the head of the screw, and that way they're easily installed on the wall. And I put 3 little hooks, and there you go, a great little Christmas gift or some little thing you can make in an hour in the shop. So thank you for watching today. If you like my videos, subscribe, and upcoming projects are going to be how to make a door, how to make a shelf, how to make a teacup shelf, other hints on woodworking, but simple woodworking, stuff that even if you have never made this before, you can do it. Thank you.